Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to increase VRAM on Windows 11. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, power on your system unit and wait until your Windows 11 computer completely loads up. Make sure everything is ready before proceeding to ensure the process goes smoothly. Once your PC is fully loaded and ready to go, let's begin increasing your VRAM. Navigate to your Windows Start menu, which you'll find located within your taskbar at the bottom of your screen. Click on it to open the Start menu. Once the menu appears, type in regedit in the search bar and press Enter on your keyboard. This will launch the Microsoft Registry Editor window, which is where we'll be making the necessary changes to increase your VRAM allocation. When the Registry Editor opens, you'll see a full folder directory displaying all of your system's registry settings. Now, I'll guide you step by step through navigating to the VRAM settings. Start by locating the folder labeled hkey_local_machine on the left side panel. Click on the small right arrow next to it to expand this folder and reveal its contents. After expanding hkey_local_machine, look for a folder named Software within the expanded list. Click on the arrow next to Software to expand this folder as well. Inside the Software Registry folder, scroll down and locate the folder labeled Intel. Once you find it, right-click on the Intel folder to bring up a context menu with several options. From the context menu that appears, hover your cursor over the option labeled New. This will reveal additional options in a submenu. From this list of additional options, click on DW32-bit. This action will create a new registry entry within the Intel folder. Now, you'll need to name this new entry. Type in dedicated segment size, making sure to write it without any spaces between the words. This registry key is what controls the dedicated VRAM allocation for your integrated graphics. After naming the entry, double-click on it to open its properties. In the value data field, enter the numerical value 512. This value represents the amount of VRAM in megabytes that you're allocating to your system. Once you've entered 512, click on OK to save your changes. And that's it. You've successfully increased the VRAM allocation on your Windows 11 system. This adjustment should help improve graphics performance, especially if you're using integrated graphics. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.